So I'm going to do a brief overview of all the components features. So the first thing you need to know is where the components feature is. So it's under the catalog. So it's a sub module under the catalog as components. And this is where you see all the components that were created, as well as create new ones. So let's just create a new piece. We'll call it like necklace piece or something like that. And necklace piece. So a component is really like a raw ingredient, a part of an item that's for real, a manufacturing step, basically. So as part of a component, it would belong to a supplier so that we can reorder these raw ingredients and component pieces. I'm going to set this price per unit as it's just 1 or maybe like 0.1 for a penny per 3 days, something like that, if they have it in stock. MOQ 10 and to show config. So this one will just be, let's just say it's a box of 10 per, and then it's like a small thing. 2. Can create a little image, so say it's a little part of this. The last thing we do is assign it to a product. This is important because as you see, I created a component, a necklace piece, right? So the idea was that that component is part of an item, and I say every necklace has, like, let's just say like 2 pieces of my component. That's what it means. So when I create it, I create that necklace piece. I can see the contents here. I rename it if needed. This is for the necklace product below, right? Okay, so what do we do with this and how we use it? So there's a few things. One thing is, well, we can place and manage it based on the supplier level. You can see that this is on the supplier level. Therefore, we can actually place purchase orders of that particular component piece. So actually, let me show you that. So basically, let's just say I have 2 boxes of just that component. I can now create the component, a purchase order, just the components. And as you see, it's acts as the same. I basically go through the entire flow with just that. I should receive the same type, except it's going to be a component. What else can we do with it? Well, I can store this component. Say I had a box of it come in, and I can actually go to Components tab on the storage provider. I have to show no inventory, right? Let me try and find it. It's not that one. It is this one. So this is my necklace piece. So say I had a box of 5 that I had lying around. Now I can actually mark it, right? So over here, now it's marked. And now I'm tracking the necklace pieces and whatnot. There's a further step, another use case, and now I can generate work orders. This is another beautiful thing about it. So say I had a storage provider Priya, which I included the work order for the necklace pieces. Okay, so this is a little bit complicated. This one has a bunch of components that it doesn't have to be this complicated. For a fresh account, you just choose what we need. So basically at this point I can do that or one. Actually this one, I might not have enough inventory for the rest. Let me do it for this one. Okay, I don't have any inventory at all. I might have to make a separate video for this. Oh, I got one. All right, so let's just say I got one. So this one, so perfect. So let me create a work order off of this. So I have inventory. So what this means is I have inventory of the comb component and the bomb recipe. What I can do is generate 2 units of this item itself. That's what a work order is. And say the lead time is 3 days, I can just put together. That's no problem. Market is done. $1. All right, so this is done now. And what this means is on the item, it actually shows up now. So I forgot which one. I think it was this one. So now it shows up because the work order constructed the item from the components themselves.